Look up at the night sky. It's a vast, dark canvas sprinkled with countless stars, each one a distant sun. The night sky has fascinated humanity for millennia, inspiring myths, legends, and scientific inquiry. On a clear night, far from city lights, you'll see a faint band of light stretching across the heavens. This band is not just a random collection of stars, it's a glimpse into the structure of our galaxy. That's the Milky Way, our home galaxy. It's a barred spiral galaxy, which means it has a central bar-shaped structure composed of stars, around which spiral arms wind outwards. The Milky Way is a vast collection of stars, gas, dust, and planets. It's a dynamic and ever-changing system with stars being born and dying, and clouds of gas and dust swirling around. It's so big that it takes light over 100,000 years to travel from one side to the other. To put that in perspective, light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second, so the Milky Way is truly immense. Our Sun is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way. Each of these stars could potentially have its own system of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. We live in a spiral arm, about 2/3 of the way out from the center. This region is known as the Orion Arm, and it's a relatively quiet and stable part of the galaxy. From our vantage point, we see the Milky Way as a band of light because we're looking at it edge-on. This perspective gives us a unique view of the galaxy's structure and composition. Imagine a pancake. If you look at it from the side, you only see a thin line. Similarly, when we look at the Milky Way from our position within it, we see a narrow band of light stretching across the sky. But if we could step outside our galaxy and look at it from above, we would see its full spiral structure, with its arms winding gracefully around the central bulge. This perspective would reveal the true beauty and complexity of our galactic home. The Milky Way is not just a collection of stars, it's a vast interconnected system that has been evolving for billions of years, and our galaxy is just one of billions in the universe. Each galaxy is a unique island in the cosmos, with its own history, structure, and mysteries waiting to be discovered. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're gazing at a small part of a vast and wondrous universe. Our island in the cosmos is just one of many, each one a testament to the incredible diversity and beauty of the universe. Like many galaxies, the Milky Way has a supermassive black hole at its center. This black hole, known as Sagittarius A*, is a colossal entity with a mass equivalent to millions of our Sun. It's a mysterious and fascinating object that has intrigued astronomers for decades. The very idea of something so massive and powerful lurking at the heart of our galaxy is both awe-inspiring and humbling. This black hole is millions of times more massive than our Sun. To put that into perspective, imagine the Sun, which itself is a giant ball of burning gas, multiplied millions of times over. The sheer scale of Sagittarius A* is almost beyond human comprehension. It's a gravitational behemoth that exerts a powerful influence on everything around it. Don't worry though, we are a safe distance from this cosmic monster. Our solar system is located in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, far from the galactic center. This distance ensures that we are not directly affected by the black hole's immense gravitational pull. However, its presence is crucial for the dynamics of our galaxy. The supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*, plays a vital role in the life of our galaxy. It acts as a sort of cosmic engine, driving various processes that shape the Milky Way. Its gravitational influence helps to maintain the structure of the galaxy, keeping stars and other celestial objects in their orbits. It gobbles up gas and dust, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This process, known as accretion, is one of the most energetic phenomena in the universe. As material falls into the black hole, it heats up and emits radiation, sometimes producing spectacular jets of high-energy particles that shoot out into space. This energy can trigger the formation of new stars. The radiation and shock waves generated by the black hole can compress nearby gas clouds, causing them to collapse and form new stars. In this way, Sagittarius A* indirectly contributes to the ongoing cycle of star birth and death in the Milky Way. The Milky Way is constantly evolving. Over billions of years, it has undergone numerous changes, from the formation of new stars to the merging of smaller galaxies. This dynamic process is driven by various factors, including the influence of Sagittarius A*, and the interactions with other galaxies. Stars are born, live out their lives, and die. This life cycle of stars is a fundamental aspect of the galaxy's evolution. When stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they undergo dramatic transformations, sometimes exploding as supernovae, which can trigger the formation of new stars from the remnants. New stars form from the remnants of old stars. The material ejected by dying stars enriches the interstellar medium with heavy elements, which are essential for the formation of new stars and planets. This recycling of stellar material is a continuous process that has been shaping the Milky Way for billions of years. This cycle of stellar life and death has been going on for billions of years. It's a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our galaxy. Each generation of stars contributes to the enrichment of the galactic environment, paving the way for future generations. Our galaxy is also on the move. The Milky Way is not a static entity. It is constantly traveling through the vast expanse of space. This movement is influenced by the gravitational pull of other galaxies and the overall expansion of the universe. It's hurtling through space at over 1 million miles per hour. This incredible speed is a reminder of the dynamic nature of the cosmos. Despite this rapid movement, the vast distances between galaxies mean that collisions are rare and our solar system remains relatively stable. But don't worry, we have a long journey ahead of us. The Milky Way's journey through space is a slow and gradual process that will continue for billions of years. As we travel through the cosmos, we can take comfort in the fact that our galaxy is a stable and nurturing environment for life. The Milky Way is not alone in the vastness of space. We're part of a group of galaxies called the Local Group. And within this group there's another large spiral galaxy, Andromeda. Andromeda is similar in size and shape to the Milky Way. It also has a supermassive black hole at its center and billions of stars orbiting around it. However, Andromeda is not just a cosmic neighbor, it's on a collision course with us. Gravity is the master choreographer of the cosmos. It dictates the movements of planets, stars, and even entire galaxies. The Milky Way and Andromeda are being pulled closer together by their mutual gravitational attraction. This cosmic dance has been going on for billions of years. Don't panic though, the collision won't happen for another 4 billion years. That's plenty of time for humanity, hopefully, to evolve and develop technology beyond our wildest dreams. Section 5. When galaxies collide, a cosmic ballet. When we say collision, it's not like two cars crashing. Galaxies are mostly empty space. When galaxies collide, it's more like a slow, graceful dance. The stars in each galaxy will pass through each other like ships in the night. The chances of any two stars colliding are astronomically small. However, the gas and dust in the two galaxies will interact. This interaction will trigger a burst of new star formation, lighting up the night sky with brilliant newborn stars. Section 6. Milkdromeda. The aftermath of a galactic merger. Over billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge into a single, giant elliptical galaxy. Astronomers have dubbed this future galaxy Milkdromeda. Milkdromeda will be a very different place from the Milky Way we know today. The spiral arms will disappear, replaced by a smooth, elliptical shape. The night sky will be ablaze with the light of billions of new stars. The supermassive black holes at the centers of the Milky Way and Andromeda will also merge, creating an even more massive black hole. Section 7. Life, the universe, and everything after the collision. What will happen to life, assuming it still exists, during this galactic merger? While the collision will be dramatic on a cosmic scale, it will likely have little direct impact on life on Earth. Our solar system will likely be flung into a new part of Milkdromeda, but Earth will continue to orbit the Sun as it always has. However, the long-term effects of the collision are difficult to predict. The increased radiation from star formation and the merging supermassive black hole could pose challenges for life. Section 8. Cosmic Exploration, Our Future Among the Stars. The future of the Milky Way is a story that will unfold over billions of years. It's a story of cosmic collisions, galactic mergers, and the birth and death of stars. As we continue to explore the universe, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. We learn about the Milky Way's past, present, and future. Perhaps one day our descendants will witness the collision with Andromeda firsthand. They will see the night sky transformed by the light of billions of new stars. Section 9. The Universe, a tapestry of endless wonder. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place. It stretches beyond our wildest imaginations, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies. Each celestial body holds secrets waiting to be discovered, stories waiting to be told. The sheer scale of the universe is mind-boggling, with distances so vast that they are measured in light years. It's full of mysteries yet to be uncovered, and wonders yet to be imagined. From the birth of stars and nebulae to the formation of black holes, the universe is a dynamic and ever-changing entity. Each discovery we make opens up new questions and new avenues of exploration. The beauty of the cosmos lies not just in what we know, but in the endless possibilities of what we have yet to learn. The story of the Milky Way's future is just one small part of the grand cosmic narrative. Our galaxy, with its billions of stars and countless planets, is but a tiny speck in the vast expanse of the universe. Yet it holds a special place in our hearts, as it is our home. The future of the Milky Way is intertwined with the fate of our solar system and our planet. It's a story that reminds us of the ever-changing nature of the universe and our place within it. As we gaze up at the night sky, we are reminded of the passage of time and the constant motion of celestial bodies. The stars we see today may not be the same stars our ancestors saw, and the stars our descendants will see may be different still. This ever-changing tapestry is a testament to the dynamic nature of the cosmos. As we continue to explore, we are filled with a sense of wonder and excitement for what the future holds. The advancements in technology have allowed us to send probes to distant planets, land rovers on Mars, and even send humans to the moon. Each mission brings us one step closer to understanding the universe and our place in it. The sense of curiosity and the drive to explore are intrinsic to human nature. The universe is ours to discover, and the journey has just begun. With each passing day, we uncover new secrets and make new discoveries. The journey of exploration is a never-ending one, filled with endless possibilities and boundless opportunities. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of the infinite potential that lies within us and the universe. The adventure of discovery is a testament to the human spirit and our unyielding quest for knowledge.